clothing. There you go. See? It's a win-win situation. So, it's free shipping, you guys. Plus, if you don't like the product, you can send them back for free and they will refund your money that you used to buy the product. They will provide a shipping sticker so you don't have to pay for it if you send it back to them. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be another unboxing and this time it's clothing haul. Before I start showing a lot of clothing here in the box that they sent me because it's a really big box. Let me just start by talking about this brand. I have a card and it has the message. It says here, we've added new items to your box that we think you're going to love. Can't wait to see your photos on Flipflit. Heart your stylist. And it's nice because it has my name in there. Oh my gosh. So, I have my laptop here with me. I will read it for you. Available on Google, Play Store, and App Store for iPhone. And you can just search them, Flipflit. Not sure what to wear? Ask your friend for help on your phone. Flipflit lets you try on different sizes and style from your favorite clothing brands in your home. So, they will just send you the ones that you think you like in their app and you can try them on in your house and you can pick whatever you want to keep. And you can just send the other ones back to them free, which is really cool because it's really convenient that you don't have to go to the mall to go try on products in the fitting room. And this one is really perfect, especially right now that we have, COVID-19. And for our safety, as much as possible, we don't want to go to the malls right now. But shopping is life, so this one is like super smart, good idea. Flip offers a place for you to upload photos to get feedback from your friends and the Flip community. When it comes to shopping, we believe in asking our friend for help because they know us best. And this app is available for men and women, so you can buy clothes for your loved ones, your partner, your dad, and then once they receive the product, they can try them on, and if they don't like it, easy, send them back to them. Or vote on other people's clothes in the Flip app and request similar items be sent to your home. So you can just scroll it up like that. I will just show you a screen record how to use them in case you wanted to see how I use it. So you just swipe up, and you will see different clothing from different people who posted their photos in the app. And once you see an outfit that you think it looks good on you too, you can just click it and request it to the Flipflit to send it to you too in your size, in your convenient time. And that's it. Just waited for at least 4 to 5 shipping. I absolutely love a lot, and I feel like I'm keeping them all, but I have to send some. Number 2, receive clothing and post picture of your look to the app. Get feedback from your friend and the Flip community. Keep what you like and send back the one that you don't like. Isn't that simple and amazing, right? Get the app today and turn your living room into a fitting room. Browse the best style, hear what your friends think about your looks, and earn shopping credit when you get your friend to sign up to. So I will just put the link down below if you're interested of signing up using my link. More shopping for me and shopping for you too. Promise you guys, the quality is super nice. Shipping is free and we provide a prepaid label for your return. Simply drop it off at a UPS location, or you can have them come to your door for a small fee. So you can send back any clothes from your closet that you no longer wear to make room for your new purchases and help provide clothing to those in need. It's a win-win situation. So it's free shipping, you guys. Plus, if you don't like the product, you can send them back for free and they will refund your money that you used to buy the product. And they will provide a shipping sticker so you don't have to pay for it if you send it back to them. I'm hooked. I will tell this to my mom and for sure she will love this. Loves clothing more than me, and the idea of this app is super amazing. Like, it will save your time, your effort, and will save you too for not going to the mall because you can just try it on in your house and not in the public fitting room. So yes, that's the information about this app. So without further ado, let's proceed to what's really inside my bags. I have the price list right here, so I can just put it in the screen, and the photo of me wearing the full outfit right here. Floral print romper, and this is from the brand Lost Plus Wonder, and this is size large in color beige, and this is $85. I feel like I will buy this for $85 because the quality is super nice. It's not too thick, it's not too thin where you are, you know, like showing too much skin. And what I like about this one is there's a snap if you want it, you know, to show a little bit. And then if you're a little shy and, you know, you can just put them back on and you can be cute. So this is the first outfit. So let's go to the second one. Box full of clothing. There you go. See? So let's put them down. First, denim short. This one is my favorite. I will keep it. It's a stretchy material. It's stretch short, denim short. And it has a cute little ribbon that you can tie in your waist. So cute! Let's see how much. Oh my god, I want to keep it! High-rise, tie-waist, paper bag, denim short. Okay, from the brand SES Blue. And this is in my size. I'm not gonna tell you. This is in color blue, and this is only $49. So I will keep this. I love it. This is my favorite one. Oh, I wanna keep them all. Let's go to this one. It's a white denim shorts. It looks like this. It's a distress. That's why I love it. But I'm not gonna keep it because it's a little tight in my waist. Even though I sent my proper size, unfortunately it doesn't fit perfectly. But I'll put a picture right here. This brand is the Blanc NYC. Let's see how much. This is the high-rise distracted denim short. And it's $88. A little pricey, but the quality is super nice. And you know, this dress stuff is really expensive even in the mall. Next, denim short. Yes, I signed up for denim shorts. I told my stylist that I love denim shorts. And it's summer. I'm so tired of wearing pants and super hot outside, you guys. So let's wear shorts, right? So this is from the brand the Blanc NYC2. This is the vintage high-rise short. It looks like this. It's tight as well. It's a little distressed with a design right there. Perfect sana to no sa vacation ko sa Palm Springs soon. But it doesn't fit good. This is the high-rise embroidered braid denim short, and this is $98. The quality is really nice. That's why it's expensive. You can compare to Levi's. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Another shorts. Yeah, shorts. This is from the brand Pistola Denim. I like this. This is the high-rise distressed denim short. And this is $88. And unfortunately, it's a little tight then. So I'm just keeping one denim short, which the one with a tie. Next is a pants. I'll put a picture right here and the price right here. I like it. I think this is my first time wearing a white pants. And I like it. It looks good. It looks good in the photo. But I'm not confident enough to wear them because I'm clumsy. I know I'm gonna get them dirty, but it looks good. Promise. You can see the photo right there. I'm sorry. I have allergy. This is the high-rise wide leg jeans. $55 only. Oh my gosh. I think I'll keep it. I need to step out of my comfort zone. Na wide. Ang ganda niya. Tapos pwede kang suot ng wide sneaker and it still looks cute. It doesn't look baduy. You can wear a what do you call that? A chunky slipper or like a wedge. So cute with a crop top and a jacket. So cute. Because this will be my first time to have a white jeans. So I'll let you know once I figure out which one to keep and which one to send it back, because I'll be broke if I'll keep them all. Like, I can't afford them all to keep, unfortunately. So we're done with the bottoms. Now we're in the tops. I told you guys, they sent me a lot to try. I'll be sending some back, the ones that, you know, I don't need and a little pricey for my budget. But yeah. Ah, so cute, this one. I can't pull it off because I'm not sexy, but this is so cute. Turtleneck crop top and has a cute cut in the other side. And I'll put a picture right here. And this is only $38. It's called Fitted Crop Cami. So cute. Oh my gosh. And I love the color. I think I'll keep that. And this, okay, this is loose fit printed lace cami, and it's $48. And I'm not really a fan. Maybe some other people can pull it off. Just me, because I'm not that confident yet with my body. Ito ko tong ikip. Look, it's a dress. Sobrang ganda ng material, you guys. Super nice. Super nice. Super soft. This is from the other follow. And this is $55. It's a striped t-shirt mini dress. Ang ganda ng fit, you guys. Look at the photo right here. It's a simple over the knee dress. Ang ganda mag-fit with a white sneaker. I feel like I want to keep it. Which one to keep and which one to send back? Why are you doing this to me, Flipflit? This one, unfortunately, I didn't end up fitting because it's not stretch. I don't want to ruin it. But it's a crop top. It has a zipper at the back, you guys, but it's a crop top that looks like this. And this is a fitted tie strap zebra print crop cami. It's only $38, but yeah, ayoko isuot because hindi siya stretch. Baka masira ko siya. Kailangan ko pa magbayad ng $38. Toto! Oh my gosh! Gusto ko silang i-keep. Super cute. Super sexy. Ito, crop top to. Ang ganda ng tela. Ganda ng tela. This is a fitted crop cami in black and it's $38. Ang cute! My gosh, feeling ko ang ganda niyan sa lahat ng mga shorts, no? Cute. I'll put the picture right here. Cute siya, promise. And then this one, feeling ko ito talaga yung ikikip ko. This is from the brand Pistola. Mock tie strap crop cami. Oh my god, ang mahal! And this is $68. Super cute nito, you guys. It's like a tube top. Tapos ang lakas makasexy ng ganitong strap. Even though I'm not sexy, ay, ang cute nito, promise. But it's $68. So, let's think about it, okay? And lastly, a overall. This is a utility jumpsuit. It's from the brand Pistol Denim in green, and this is $128. I know this is the priciest one, but the quality of this one is super nice. It's so thick. It's a jumpsuit. It looks cool, and parang ang astig mo tingnan. Nung sinuot ko to, I'll put a picture right there. Usually kasi yung mga jumpsuit na ganito, it's always long sleeve and ang init-init. So this one is like a short sleeve, super cute, with a sneakers. Super cute talaga, promise. You can see. Cute ba? Cute ba ako? So, yeah. Oh my God. That is it for this haul. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you are interested of ordering, like what I said earlier, when you order, you will get the products for at least 3 to 5 days. Wait. And then once you receive them, you can just fit. You can try them on. See what you like. You can send the ones that you don't like for free as well because they will send you a sticker. You can just drop it off in your UPS location or let them pick it up in your house. A little fee, but if you are driving, you can just, go to the nearest UPS and you already have your return sticker. You don't have to pay for any. That's it for this video. Thank you, Flipflit, for trusting me to represent your brand. I love everything. I wish I can keep them all. Thank you for trusting me, and thank you for your patience. And thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you in my next video. Bye!